In this video, I will show you how to undo your local commit and just sync it with whatever the changes are there on the central repository. So there are instances when you add or edit a file and then commit it into the local repository, only to realize that you don't want that change and then you want to revert. And then you realize that the central repository one, whatever had the contents, you want the same on your local file. So you just need to get the files from the central repository to your one. So I will show you how to do that through this demo. So first thing I do is I go to my file system and open this file, and I just add some random content. So I say only to be removed later, right? And I will add and commit. So I have added the file and committed with a random message. Now if I check the git log, we have this head pointing to master, and the latest change here, our origin master is one step behind. And basically what I want to do is I want to revert from here, and I want a head to point back to this one. And I will show you the content in my central repository. By the way, I have removed the policy for branch. So in my previous video, I did show you how to add a branch policy. I have removed for this video because otherwise pushing to this would have thrown errors. So just for your information. So now in file A here, we have this thing, feature pull request 01, and I want my local file to have the same changes. So the simplest way to do that is getting back to my command prompt, and I will run this command git reset hard. So this is the shortcut for upstream. And now if you look at my local file, it has the same changes as we had in our remote repository. And I will also run a git log. You can see that the head is pointing to the previous commit, and it is pointing to the same commit where our origin master is pointing to. So that is what we wanted, and we achieved it. One thing you need to keep in mind is this is irreversible command, so be careful before you run it. That's it for this video.